guys, hey, welcome to the Analog Life. Hey, I'm so glad you guys joined me. Hey, so yesterday I picked up this stereo player. It's a Panasonic stereo player. It's like one of those integrated stereo players of the late 90s to the early 2000s. And a person on the classifieds said that it was for free. And he said that the CD player component was not working. So me being as curious as I am and just wanting to salvage everything, I responded to the classifieds. I picked up the unit and I spent a couple hours last night actually testing this equipment. Now when I got the unit, I realized that the CD component was a bit stuck. It just felt stuck. It felt like something was forcing it not to come out, the compartment not to come out. I thought it was a stuck CD, so I proceeded to open the covering of the unit. Now when I opened it, I was a bit disappointed because I thought it would be as simple as just removing some stuck CD in there and that would solve the issue. But then I realized that the CD tray had actually been taped in there, which was kind of odd. So someone had gone in there and taped it up. So I undid the tapes on both sides of the tray, and then right away the tray was able to slide out. However, that now presented another problem, which was that every time I inserted the tray, it would just come right back out. So after quite a bit of fiddling and trying to rack my brain on what exactly is going on, I did a lot of cleaning. I cleaned the inside of the device and I was not able to solve the problem. I pretty much took the mechanism apart and cleaned it out and still was having the same issue. Then finally, later on in the night, I found out this link to the manual, which was basically going through some troubleshooting on common issues, and one of them was when the tray refuses to stay in. And what it said was that when the tray comes out, you have to unload the CD and put it back in, like insert the tray, and then allow it to go through the changing mechanism because it's a multi-CD changer. You have to let it go through that cycle. Previously wasn't doing that, but this time when I inserted it, I think it's because I cleaned out the mechanism a bit, it started responding and going through the change cycle.